On site, it is weighed in at the scale house. After being unloaded by the crane at the sawmill, the empty truck returns to the scale house where it is weighed again. The empty weight is then subtracted from the loaded weight, and the difference is the weight of the logs. This weight is the amount the logger gets credit for. On average, a load of logs weighs around 26 tons. At the crane, the truck is unloaded, with the wood being placed in the log pile or on the log deck. The log pile gives a storage area so that we have wood when we have no trucks to unload. The crane operator shuffles the pile so that the old wood is generally run up first. However, if the log deck gets low, the crane operator may load wood directly onto the log deck from the trucks. The wood on the deck will now have the bark removed by the debarker. Once removed, the bark is loaded into truck trailers. The bark is trucked off-site and is used mostly for industrial fuel. The stem is now fed into the merchandiser. Here, the stem is scanned with laser heads, forming a 3D image. This image is now used to get the optimal value out of the stem. The decision is automatically passed off to the saws, and the stem is cut into logs. Or, if it meets the qualifications, it will be cut into a utility pole.